say that number can be in any of your database, uh, or you're trying to add it to an Excel sheet from an Excel sheet. The moment when you're trying to send it, immediately we will be getting an SMS that one number is blocked because it is actually registered as the blocked number. So immediately the numbers which are under the blocked list will be totally ignored, and the rest of the numbers will be sent if there are any. So this is the advantage of the blocked numbers. Another advantage feature what you can see with this is we have a scheduler mode. Now you're able to see that this green bulb, which represents that the software is working in the default mode. That means even you can send the SMS even in midnight or any time it keeps sending. But if you'd like to restrict the software to send the SMS only in a particular point of time, that is from morning 9 o'clock to only evening 5 o'clock, then you can choose to have it as a scheduler, and you can choose the time from morning 9 o'clock to evening around, say I'm just giving it as an 1 o'clock. So once you save it, it'll ask you to restart the application, and once you restart it, you'll be able to see that the software, that green bulb would change to red bulb because we choose to not to send the SMS after 1 o'clock. So the time which is permitted time to send an SMS is actually displayed here, that is from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock here. So even when you add an SMS task at this point of time, it will not send it, and if there is any task that is currently going on, will not proceed any further. You are able to see this stopped at 3755 only, it is not proceeding anymore. So this is the advantage with the scheduler, where you can be confident that even if you are not at the system, the scheduler will ensure that it will not send the SMS after the particular time is over. And this is the comport settings, which you can set the comport, and you have three different comports you can configure, and you can connect three different mobile phones. And the capacity of this Hermes Advanced is it could send approximately around 1800 SMS per hour if you connect three different mobile phones. That means per mobile phone it can from each and every mobile phone it can send 600 SMS per hour approximately. And the fourth advantage, fourth panel, you can see here it is in reports. You can choose from whatever the date you want to see the reports, and you just click on go, and you're able to see the all the reports are getting listed. And if you choose to see no whichever whatever the report, you can just click on that report and say print report. Automatically it will ask you to save that report. Just save it in a particular location, and you can see the report very clearly. It says that what are the total numbers that have been added, what are how many have finished, and the message will come in this place, and totally sent numbers, and what are the failed numbers. If there are any numbers that are failed, that you can watch very particularly. Now I'm just going to show you another advantage of this software. I'm just changing the mode to the default mode. Now if for example, say now this SMS task is currently under the process now. So if you'd like to see what is the status of each and every SMS sent from this, that means at background what is the currently processed number, then you can just click on the particular task and click Control Shift T. You're able to see a terminal that is getting open here, and it will say what is the current process number, and what is the status of each and every number that is being sent. This gives a very clear picture and confidence that how the software is sending the SMS, and what is the status of each and every number that is getting being processed. So you generally an SMS will have three states of acknowledgement that will come from the operator. One is a sent thing that acknowledges that it has been already delivered, and the second one is in waiting state, which says that it is the message could be in waiting in the network, or it is still under process. And the third state is an error where the SMS is not able to get delivered. So using this terminal you can be very confident that what currently processed number is, and what is the status of that particular number. So this is the biggest advantage, where we maintain the transparency from the software about what is a number that is getting processed and what is the status of that number currently. So Hermes is the best software and highly trusted software in the market currently, and it has got the best performance. And another advantage I forgot to mention is about export numbers. You might collect the business numbers databases from different sources and maintain them in an Excel sheet, say, and by chance you might be getting them in a certain formats, like between those mobile numbers you might also end up in